Yoga Nidra is a practice of yogic sleep, a state of conscious relaxation where your body rests deeply while your mind remains awake and calm. 10 minutes of Yoga Nidra can restore your nervous system like hours of deep sleep. Lie down comfortably on your back in Savasana. Let your feet flop outward, arms slightly away from your body with palms facing upward. Adjust your clothes, blanket, or pillow now so you can remain completely still for the next 10 minutes. Close your eyes gently. From this moment on, minimize all physical movement. If you need to adjust, do so mindfully, but aim for complete stillness. Tell yourself mentally, I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I will remain awake and relaxed. Take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale with a long, soft sigh through your mouth. Release all tension from the day. Now, bring to mind your sankalp, a short positive resolve or intention stated in the present tense, such as I am at peace or my body is calm and healthy. Repeat your sankalpa mentally 3 times with feeling and awareness. We will now rotate awareness rapidly through different parts of the body. As each body part is named, move your mind to that area without moving physically. Move your awareness to the right side of the body. Right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. Palm of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, right waist, right hip, right thigh, knee, calf, ankle, right heel, top of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now shift your awareness to the left side of the body. Left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. Palm of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, left waist, left hip, left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, left heel, top of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Move to the back of the body. Right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, space between the shoulder blades, upper spine, lower spine, the entire length of the backbone, right buttock, left buttock, back of the thighs, back of the knees. Move to the front of the body, crown of the head, forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, space between the eyebrows, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, tip of the nose, lips, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, center of the chest, navel, lower abdomen. Feel the whole body together. The entire right leg, the entire right leg, left leg, both arms, back, chest, and head. Feel the whole body resting on the earth with complete stillness. Become aware of your natural breath. Do not alter the flow. Simply observe the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen with every inhalation and exhalation. As you inhale, count down internally. Inhale 5, exhale 5. Inhale 4, exhale 4. Continue down to 1 in silence. Now, awaken the sensation of heaviness in the body. Feel every part of your body becoming heavy, sinking deep into the floor under the pull of gravity. Now, awaken the sensation of lightness. Feel your body becoming weightless like a feather, floating effortlessly above the mat. Release both sensation, return to neutral, still presence. Now, bring your awareness to the dark space behind your closed eyes. Space of Chidakas, infinite field of pure awareness. As I name a few images, allow them to appear in your mind's eye instantly without effort. A flickering candle flame, a calm mountain lake at sunrise, clear blue sky overhead, golden sunlight filtering through the green leaves, an ocean wave washing ashore, deep unconditional stillness inside your heart. Now repeat your original sankalpa or intention 3 times in your mind with conviction. Gradually bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the contact between your body and the floor beneath you. Listen to the sounds in the room. Become aware of your surroundings. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep, refreshing inhale and stretch your arms overhead for a full body stretch. Turn gently onto your right side, taking a moment of gratitude for yourself and your practice. When you are ready, slowly press up to a comfortable seated position. Keep your eyes closed for one final moment. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. If this Yoga Nidra practice helped you rest, please like, share, and subscribe for more daily practices. Namaste.